Hello, my name is Andrea Cortese here for 3 Labs. Today I'm gonna show you how to build this patch. If you didn't see the full performance, we've linked in the description. Please make sure you go and check it out. So today I have my Microfreak here by Arturia, and I have connected the Avalanche Run, which is one of my favorite pedal because it's got the delay and the reverb on it. It's just I like to pair these two hardware because it give me so much of the ambient sounds. So the first step to build the patch is to go on one of the empty one on the Microfreak and choose the type of the synth engine you need. In my case, I choose the 2 operator FM and adjust some knobs, the ratio about 22, the amount 27, and the feedback about 73. And press the button Pentaphonic. That means you play notes, different notes at the same time. So the next step is to assign the LFO to the pitch. Just a little bit, like 0.3, because I like to give him some variation to the sound. And a little bit to the timbre as well, like about 9. And the cutoff, like -30. The next step is to change the shape of the LFO you want to give it. My favorite is the random one, which is this one, and set to 1 to 8 and sync the rate, the time division to 1 to 1, which is the lowest one. Let's see how it sounds. Yes. So the next step was to go an octave down. I really like the sub of the sound. To get my chords into the sequence, I'm gonna hit the button Shift 2 and then ARP sequence. When it becomes blue, that means the sequencer is done. And then hit the button Random. You're gonna get on the step recording. You can record 16 steps. If you want to change that, you can go to utility and change that to 1 to 5, 6, 7, or whatever you like. I left on 1 to 16. I'm gonna start recording my sequence. I'm done with my recording. I'm gonna hit the button Pattern, which is the one who's gonna play back. I'm gonna adjust a little release. I'm gonna add some reverb and some of the delay to get this beautiful ambient sounds. And now if you want to go and play, That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, let us know in the comments and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more electronic music production content from 343 Labs. Thank you.